Now I have arrived at Copenhagen train station. I'll try my way going to Malmo. Here is the Hello. Oh. I want to go to Malmo.
Malmo, yeah?
Yes.
How many persons?
One. When is next train?
That will be 10:27.
10:22. Okay. Okay.
Is it one way or which one?
One way.
89, please.
I don't have krona. Can I pay?
Only pay by credit card.
Okay. Thank you. Which platform?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay, thank you. Okay, I got my ticket here going to Malmo. It costs 89 Danish kroner. It's about $10, I think, and maybe a little more than just $10. Yes, very easy by Visa card. Okay, I have only 5 minutes. Have to catch the train, so I can only film here for 5 minutes. Okay, this is Copenhagen train station. This is outside of Copenhagen train station. This is the train station. After 15 hours from Frankfurt to Copenhagen, I catch the train from here to Malmo. It seems to have many trains, so it will take maybe 30 minutes. So I have to go in now. It costs like $11-12 from here to Malmo. Here I take this train. Okay. Now the time is 10:30. I depart from Copenhagen train station for Malmo. The impression given to me is that the Danish railway is very old. I'm sorry to say. Look very old. The train just stopped at the Copenhagen airport. It means that from here at Copenhagen airport to Malmo is only 30 minutes by train. It's very convenient. You just get off the airplane and get on the train, going to Malmo, 30 minutes.
Ja, men nummer här av säkerhetsväsendet.
26 minutes exactly. For your information, even the train from Denmark to Sweden, they have passport control. Okay, they will come here to check your passport. Arrived at Malmo. So the last time I was here was over 20 years ago. Here I am at Malmo Central Station. Okay. First thing is some money. First impression after 20 years. And I don't know if this is the city I'm going to live. Oh, I can see Nordea Bank. This cost 69 cents. I think it's about $6. That's not bad at all for lunch at the central train station. After arrival here at Malmo for only 1 hour, I went to the bank. I went to tourist information. I had my lunch, and I got the map where to go. Okay, I've done a lot. First, I go to the tax office to get him a tax card if I can, because if I want to retire here in Malmo, I need to open a bank account. If I want to open a bank account, I need a tax number. But my tax number is in Norway. I have to change it here. Now I go to tax office. Again, here is Malmo train station, central station. Okay, I just turn around. This could be my retirement home. Okay, now I'm going to tax office. The main entrance is here, Central Station. Okay, here is the Malmo Center.